Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use dual WhatsApp on iPhone. All right, let's begin. At the moment, iPhone does not officially support running two regular WhatsApp accounts. However, there are a few safe options you can use. One option is WhatsApp's multi-account feature, which is currently rolling out on iOS. Some users may see an option inside WhatsApp settings to add a second account using another phone number. If available, you can add it and switch between accounts in the same app. This feature depends on your account, region, and app version. Another option is WhatsApp Web. Open Safari, go to web.whatsapp.com, request the desktop site, and link your second account using the QR code. This works but is limited. Notifications may not appear, and it's best as a temporary solution. So that's basically how you can use dual WhatsApp on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.